Welcome back sa Corolla 9th. Sa episode na ito ay aking ibabahagi sa iyo ang bagong kong shift knob. Pinalitan na ng dating may-ari ng kotseng ito ang shift knob ng sasakyan. At nakikita mo na nga ito. Pero ang problema dito, hindi alam ng hihiram ng sasakyan ang shifting pattern ng Kambyo. Ang masaklap pa nito, hindi masundan ng aking misis ang shifting pattern nung siya ay aking tinuturuang magmaneho. Kaya naman naisip kong palitan ito at ibalik sa dati. Nakabili ako online ng isang shift knob na elegante na, hindi pa mahal. Kung nais rin ninyong bumili, inilagay ko ang link sa description at comment section ng video na ito. Ilagay na natin. Ang una kong ginawa ay tinanggal ko ang TRD shift knob ng sasakyan. Astig ito pero kailangan kong palitan. Pipihitin lang naman ito counterclockwise hanggang sa matanggal. Nang sumunod ay ikinabit ko na ang bagong shift knob na aking binili. Kakaiba ang disenyo nito dahil hindi ito basta na lamang ituturnilyo sa shift stick. Bagkus ay may munti itong rubber adapter.
So it has many holes with different diameters. At ito ang babagay dito. Okay, so I think this one will fit here better. I'm gonna remove it now. And then this one, let's remove this. Okay, then we're gonna put it this way. See? Alright, so let's just put it that way. Okay, so you have a new shift knob. Alright.
Pagtapos itong mailagay sa shifter stick, hinigpitan ko ito gamit ang mga maliliit na Allen bolts at Allen screwdriver.
And here's the first one. Let's put it there. There you go. And also this one. Yeah, so it works. Now also this one here. Come on, you. All right. Okay, so all of the screws are in, the 3 of them, and so all you have to do is to put it in the shift stick like that. Alright, okay, so I think that's the proper way to put it, and then let us tighten the screws, the smaller ones. Okay.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Oh, forgot something. I forgot something, sorry. Let's remove it. This one here should be there. It should be down there like that. Then let's put this one back. Okay, now let's tighten the screws. So I think the shift knob will not move sideways already. Okay, all right. Yeah, should be that way. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay, so we just installed it. Now let's screw in the Right, so that's the cup right there.
Matapos ilagay ang kanyang chrome ring, heto na siya.
Okay, so the shift knob is now properly labeled. We have the first gear. Okay, see it. That's it. So we have here the first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, I bought this because I bought this for my wife because she's learning how to drive the manual transmission. So if this was the gear stick, I mean the shift knob, she would have a hard time remembering these numbers. So I bought a shift knob just for her to learn driving.
Inaanyayahan na rin kita na mag-subscribe sa channel na ito para may-notify ka sa mga future uploads. Panoorin mo na rin ang iba pang video sa channel na ito. Bisitahin at i-follow mo na rin ang Corolla 9th Generation Facebook page kung saan makakakita ka ng mga products para sa ating Corolla 9. May mga tutorials rin dito tungkol sa Corolla 9. Salamat sa iyong pagbisita. Mabuhay ka. Hanggang sa muli.